yuaka ni oginyal wuok e lopegi mabende koro ne owenegi gi kweregi kendo chako dhi gedo komachielo en ginendo madhi kelo negi ting'no endo mateka. Kambi onogo yango negi ikore mar mondo mi koro gitim gedo machielo kamano e kinde mamoko kuom jopiny to ramo kendo umo gi piny ngang' ni pok gineno boke mayango ni koro ber ka giweyo lopegi go iko ka gidhi e gwenge iko mamoko.
Still meant, for those ones who are most vulnerable, the vulnerable members within our community. But we have an option of also giving also money for those ones who would want to construct their own houses. I think they can construct houses to the specifications that they would want. But what we had to at least come up with and be convinced, yes, by Shanta Gold is by them showing to us the model house, the particular house, to which especially the vulnerable members, if they are to be resettled, which kind of house they would be given. And I think it is ideal. It is an ideal house.
I'm a project geologist. I work for Shanta Gold. We endeavor to have a win-win situation in the processes that we want to undertake matters resettlement.
My name is Jotham Obiero. This Obiero has lived in Mula for the last 78 years. Now, surprisingly, the Shanta company, who has got the license to come and do the mining in Mula, and I suspect I'm among the people affected persons with the mining. I joined this team to go and see the type of houses they want to go and put me into. I've seen the houses, but to me, those houses are far below my position because I've settled, and I think I've settled properly. If I see what I went to see today, I have to go and make up my minds and ask, what is Shanta going to do?
Mimi naitwa Margaret Alo. Hatuna barua yoyote ya kuonyesha Shanta Gold inajenga hapa. Tutaki wanataka kutuharibia security hapa. Hapa tumekaa salama, hakuna kila kitu. Ya pili wanataka kutuletea watu watarepu watoto wetu, wataoa watoto wetu wadogo bado wanaenda shule. Sasa hii itakuwa kitu mbaya. Watuletee mabarua zao kuanza kununua shamba mpaka vile wanahamisha wale huko, walete chief za huko, walete dio wa huko na wasitanganyike na zetu tukue pamoja. Otherwise hapana.